So I just unlocked my 4th tier 6. It's time for a challenge. We have to get. Now we're gonna go through every tier. We're gonna play the fighters and the bombers, the strikes, you know? And then afterwards, or at least if it has more than 4, then we'll just leave out the least good one. And finally, we have, in order to move on to the next tier, we have to get a kill with, well, every singular plane. And the bombers are exceptions, and we'll explain that later. Let's just begin with tier 1. We'll equip this one, this one, this one, this one. So all 4 of these aircraft. Now let's equip our builds. Yeah, you know what? Heck, let's just keep that. Yeah. Okay. Now, as I was saying, strike and bombers are different, okay? So, in order to move on to the next tier, for fighters, we just have to get a kill with the plane. For bombers, we have to, well, I know this might sound ridiculous, but we don't have to destroy a base, because it would be practically impossible for some planes. All we have to do, though, is destroy 3 ground targets, and that's it. For strike planes, though, we have to destroy 1 ground target and kill 1 enemy. So yeah, here we go. My goal is to kill some targets. We don't all have to do this in the same order, though. Remember your goal, Reckless Amigo. Remember your goal. Bomb the enemy ground targets. Okay, now I have to bomb and kill them. How about that? Yeah. Let's go for the first bomb one. Drop a couple different bombs here and there. I should kill him. Oh, I killed already 3. Alright, big bomb is out. I destroyed the pillbox. That's how you know I got. Alright, I already got the 3. Now, after we complete the thing, we may as well just survive for as long as we can. Oh, hold up. Let me get my gunner kill. Come on, 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 come on. I'm dead. Oh, we have a shot. That means I have my chance. That means I have my chance to kill him. Where is he? Nope, I don't. I don't remember. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Gunner on. Gunner on. Gunner on now. Oh, great. Dude, how am I supposed to live through this? Come on, die. No. Tell me I can somehow land. Can I land? Can I land at least? Weird. No, I'll blow myself up. Blow myself up. Blow him up. Alright, for this next part, I really want you to watch stupidly closely, okay? Watch where the other plane goes. I lost a lane. Did you miss it? Well, let me show you one last time. If you look very closely, right about, I think, here... Wait, here? You can see him go straight through my cockpit and then slam into the ground and go through the ground. Nope! Dead. I'm alive. I'm alive. How? How? I don't believe that. Nope. It's hilarious. Okay. Now on with this one. Remember, we gotta kill an enemy aircraft and we gotta kill a singular ground target. We gotta do it in the same life. So, yeah. Yes, this is definitely gonna get very hard. Also, if I'm in a bomber and if I just, or anything for that matter, and I kill a base, it automatically ends that plane's challenge because killing a base is decently hard in most earlier bombers. So please don't let this hit. I only killed one thing. Okay, well that's enough. Now I just gotta kill my target. My enemy, you know? Please don't make it so this guy's kill and I get to kill. Please don't make it so this guy's kill and I get to kill. Please. Tell me. Please. No way. Oh, yeah. That was... What? Should I count it? Should I count it? You know what? No, I'm not gonna count it. Ooh. That was clean. Oh my god. No, don't lose too much speed because this plane is not good at regaining speed. Trust me that much. I think I know that much. That guy's so seasoned. Oh no! Speed up! Gunner, please. I feel like Markiplier's saying, Freddy, please.
Freddy, now, Freddy, now, Freddy! Freddy!
Gunner, please. Please, Gunner, help me, Lord! AA, I swear to God, bro. I hate this AA. I hate the AA in this game, bro. It's so annoying. Please pull up! No! No! No, bro. No, please. Actually, please. Oh, fine. Oh, shit! For any parents out there who are watching this with their children, I said shoot, not the other word. Don't worry. I know it sounded like it. How am I alive? How am I surviving this? I'm on my nose. How am I surviving these things, guys? Well, I just failed the strike thing. Great. Let's leave the battle because I don't really stick with things. There's enough time to do it. Okay, guys. So since we only need to destroy one, and for strike aircraft, of course, you know, you don't have to do it with the bomb because it's strike aircraft. My thing is that I feel like I'll just bring some light bombs instead. Because I don't want that much weight when I'm trying to fight some enemies. So, I'll probably just bring one 500-pounder to the battlefield. No, wait, because this will weigh more than two 100-pounders. So, actually, I'll just bring those. Okay. Now I have less weight on me. What's a better machine gun? This has omni-purpose. This does not. This has tracer. This does. This is armor piercing. This does. So it's just the more like incendiary. It doesn't have omni-purpose. I don't really know what omni-purposes do, but I don't care. Let's just do this one. Ooh, and the gunner, this bullets sound way better. Okay, let's move. Look, if this takes me much longer, I might actually just straight up count the other one, but who knows. Green Ridge is not the best match, considering that I brought such light weapons, since it only has like freaking. No, wait, this is not that match. Okay, good. So I can kill enemies using that. Okay. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna try and sweep some of these guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting absolutely swarmed on her. Okay, I got the bombs away. Come on, 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 come on. I just need to kill one of them. I just need to kill. 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 Why am I fighting a biplane and a strike airplane? Why am I fighting a biplane and a strike airplane? Why am I fighting a freaking biplane and a strike airplane? I'm not gonna be able to turn this man. No, I'm dead. He has too much speed. No, 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 no. Please put the nose down before I stall out and slam into the ocean. Full wep. Full wep. Dude, I can't do this, bro. I cannot do this. Now, if I can't do it in this next life... This is my chance, actually. This is actually my chance. If I can hit him once, then maybe I steal a kill. Never mind, because it's already been shot at. That'd be like stealing just everything. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, get away from my kill. This guy's mine. Oh, I'm coming after you, brother. I am going to destroy you. Or at least I'm gonna try. Please, for the love of God, don't make me jinx myself. There's an enemy coming up on me. Yeah. He's coming behind me. He's coming behind me. Ooh, ooh. Don't let it overheat so I don't have to reload, and then I automatically lose this kill pretty much. Oh. I gotta get closer so I can get more direct shots, and thus I can kill them quicker. Yes! Please. Okay, I can do this, actually. I actually have a chance. I just need to get to the enemy area and straight up bomb them, okay? Hang on! I'm recording a video, give me a second. Give me like 5 seconds, literally. I'm cooking, hold up. This is like that video I sent you. I'm in that exact situation right now, hold up. Cook? Oh God. Please. They're above me. They're literally about to kill me. They're literally about to die. Boom, zoom. They're about to boom, zoom. They're about to boom, zoom. They're about to boom, zoom. Let me go down. For Christ's sake. If I can't get him with the bombs, I will get him with these stupid machine guns. Bombs. Please! Yes! Ah! Let me go pop my mouth. Hang on! I'm recording a video. Give me a second. Give me like 5 seconds. Literally, I'm cooking. Hold up. This is like that video I sent you. I'm in that exact situation right now. Hold up. Mother. Okay. Now on to the other ones. Alright, now we just gotta get a kill with these two fighters. Here's the first one. This one's probably gonna be a little bit harder than the other one since it doesn't turn quite as well. Ooh. 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 Ooh, he's a bomber though, so this might be a bit scary because he's gonna kill me. But, does it look like I care? I mean, barely at all. Yeah, he's gonna might kill me. He's gonna might actually kill me. Allowing kamikaze kills, okay. We're allowing kamikaze kills just because. There's always one bullet left, you know, you gotta follow by that rule. Oh god! Kinda got me there, he kinda got me there. He's kinda tricked me there. He kinda silly boosted me there. Oh my god, why am I turning so slow? I'm turning slower than him. He's a bomber. I should not be. Yes! There's my kill. Okay. Yes, credited kills, aka whenever they slam him to the ground after I shoot him, do in fact count. I don't care. I realistically don't. As long as I am credited with the kill. Well, we're moving on, okay. Unless it's like one of those times where I still kill. Dude, I'm about to stall. Dude, I'm so gonna stall. Yes! 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 I have my chance again. I have my chance. Yeah, I did. Oh god! Die! Yo, I'm about to die, guys. Oh, this definitely was just fire. I was just ass. Wait, let me get into the fire. Okay, guys, we'll send it to each other. Alright, now to try the other plane. Bam 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 bam. I'm making a YouTube video, Mom. You want to say hi? Hi. Yeah. Too late to turn it off the web now. Actually, no, this guy's moving fast. He kept it on web. Oh, he has a tier 2 plane. He has a tier 2 plane. Okay, that means I'm so impressed. Oh no. No, please, let me get this kill. Just let me get this one kill. Please, let me get this kill. Please let me get this kill. Please let me get this kill. There's no way. Oh, I'm dead. Nope, I'm dead. Frick, man, you've got to be kidding me. I know, I saw his name like 7 times for the whole sequence. I know. Okay, so please shut up. Okay, I'm looking at this in editing. I know. Alright, let's try this again. This time we're not gonna die in the process. Why would you steal my kill? I would have stolen their kill, actually. Oh, this is like an even fight. Because we're like both the same aircraft. Oh, yeah, he's challenging me. Buddy, you want a duel? Psst, hey kid, you want some blitzkrieg? Psst, hey kid, you want some blitzkrieg? Psst, hey kid, you want some freedom? Psst, hey kid, you want some oil? Ooh, another one. Another one. That was like an insta-kill, brother. I'm about to complete a whole mission doing this. I'm not even kidding. I have a mission. I need to kill 4 enemy planes with American aircraft. I'm about to complete it. I'm not even joking. Doing this challenge. That's insanity. Doing this challenge and actually doing that mission. That'd be insane. How How am I actually about to do it though? Kinda. Wait, hold up. Let me let it cool off. Oh. I'm about to stop this guy. Oh god, no! Why? Wait, if I can put my nose down, then I can regain my speed. Pull back up. Try and finish off somebody. The same guy who killed me earlier. He's in the same plane. I can get another mission done, I think. I'm going down. I'm going down. I don't care if I die, I'm going down with him. I will make him die with me here. I'm going down with that man. I do not care. No, why would it make me turn the other way? I want to turn into him so I can kamikaze. Please. No, it's gonna make me stall. 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 Back up, 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 please. Please crash. Please crash. Please crash. Please crash. Yes, follow me.
Not a late player.
Oh. It's on video too. Guys, I'm opening a present. Oh my god! I got $20, guys. I got $20. I got $20 bills. I don't know their numbers. That's going in the video. Alright, we've completed tier 1, guys. Yeah, okay. So I completed those missions. Anyways. On to tier 2. Now, the necessary planes for this are definitely going to be the bomber. We always have to have a bomber, a strike, and some sort of fighters. If we don't have those, then, well, the tier just doesn't have those all. Then we'll just pick whatever we can get our hands on. Okay, this one, the one I'm leaving out, just because I feel like we have another one in tier, the next tier that I'm going to pick also, and I just feel like it's just useless to pick it right now. And it's also, like, the worst one out of this bunch. Yeah, you did in fact hear me right. Anyways, this is like insane. I'm definitely gonna get a kill with this really soon though, if you think about it, because I'm just so good with this plane. I don't know why I am though. Since this is the strike plane, so I'm realistically not gonna need very much armament. I'm still gonna get these. They don't add too much weight, and they're really good. I don't even think I'm gonna attach a bomb. I don't feel like it yet. I can just strike an enemy with a machine gun. Now this is my favorite because guess what, guys? Because I know how to do it, this one I'm gonna have to kill a base with because I know how to kill a base with this one, and I can do it. So this one I already know I can do it because I've done it so many times. In fact, just recently, last match before I started this challenge, I actually ended up destroying all 4 bases before the match ended. So with this plane, this is a pretty overpowered thing. But it is a decently slow plane though, so yeah. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. Here we go, tier 2. I'm sorry, I'm being annoying, I know, I'm sorry. Is there like no bases? Okay, there are. I'm gonna start with the base destroyer, and I'm gonna go for this outer. I always go for this outer base or this outer base. I like to tell them that because that's where I'm going. Then I'll say cover. They're trying to start throwing mud at me. Please, 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 please. Speed, please, I need this. Please. Oh my God, sorry. Okay, gunner view, I mean bomber view now. Bomber view now. Bomber view now. I swear to God. Oh, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. There's no way. There's no way I make this. 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 I'm dead. I'm dead. Please help. Can somebody help me? Oh, God, I'm dead. Woo! I got some teammates on me, thank God. Bombs away, let's go! Oh, our propeller's out, our propeller's out. Please, please, I beg you, I actually beg you. Oh, both of my engines are out, I'm dead. Wait for it. Wait for it. See that at the top? That was me. If you saw their bomber thing, that was me. Yeah, you can see it at the top. I did it. The only problem with this is that it's not maneuverable at all. So my only chance is to get a head on. Then I can use my gun pods to at least somewhat help. Yes! I'm not counting. I don't care because I know I'm never going to get another kill. Ever again. So I'm gonna count that just because I know I'm not gonna get another kill for a very long while. You know what? Maybe I'll get a killer now. Okay, never mind. This is the one we're gonna count because I'm gonna kill him. But it doesn't actually end up counting unless, well, I get a ground kill too. Oh, in here, please. I need people to cover me. I'm gonna stay very low to the ground. This way it'll help me. So if they ever come down and they end up not killing me, they fully boom and zoom, then if they have the auto turn on, trust me, it absolutely messes them up. If I had bombs though, I wouldn't be going this slow regardless because I wouldn't have enough time to pull up and everything. There's an enemy literally right on me.
Attention to the designated grid square. Need cover.
Destroy it already! Yes! Alright, that's this, yeah. Okay, this strike plane took a lot less time to do. Oh god! I'm dead. No. Oh god. 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 Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. If I land this, I'm dead. I mean, if I land it, oh, yeah, dead. Something's telling me I won't even have enough time to get my kill, but I can try to go for this BF 109 here. Then try to go for the BF, or try to go for the BF. Come on, 109er, come on, 109er, come on, 109er, come on, 109er, come on, 109er. I know you want to fight. I know you want to fight. You love fighting. BF 109s love to fight. I thought 109s love to fight. Can you turn? Can you actually turn? Can you actually turn? Please, plane. Please, plane. Turn. Somebody go! Let me do that! Just not gonna talk about that, okay? You're just gonna pretend you never heard that, okay?
Not happening.
Okay. Thank you. I'm begging you, please. Just let me kill this one guy, and then end the match, please. Yes! Yes! We already ended this plane. All we have is one last plane. Okay, you want some, you want some smoke! Oh, you want some smoke, brother! Give you some smoke. Okay, maybe he can outturn me just a little bit. This is kind of scary. Please crash! Yes! Yo, wait, let's try and land without putting our landing gears on.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Just softly touch the ground. There's no way. You can hear it skiing! Look at this, I can drift. Look at that, brother. Look at that. I'm better. There's an enemy coming on me! No, I need an episode. Oh, I got a rank. Does not matter. That's good. Overheating a weapon, always. I always do overheating a weapon. I've completed all the achievements. All I have is day 13 left. So, there you go. Well, we pretty much completed everything except for this one. Wait, I have an idea. Now that we've finished this one, we can also equip this one, and we can finally do it. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Alright, guys, here we go. Tier 2. Since I'm all the way up to, like, top tier, except where my research stuff stops is tier 6, I'll probably end the video right here, and I'll probably just record another video in the next, like, 10 seconds after I end the video of me doing tier 3, 4, then 5, and 6. And then I'll probably do the top tier one. Because since I expect that's going to take at least somewhat longer. Okay. Let's actually start with this one, because I suspect this one's going to be longer over time. I kind of want a team kill. Can I team kill? I'm joking. What kind of plane is making that noise? I should do a challenge where I can only look behind me and I have to shoot blindly. Oh shoot! You know what? Did it count? 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 Frick, it didn't count. That means I gotta use one of these. Oh, dang it, man. It didn't count. Alright, I'm gonna try and go for this one. Oh, brother. I'm gonna try and hit a couple shots. Alright, now we're done with this fighter. Go, wait, let's try and doing WEP all the way down. Oh god, oh god, no, why would I don't want to know how this is gonna end. Okay. Just slightly hits the ground. That was a lot rougher than I expected. I really did not want that. Oh no. Well, that's probably a much quicker death than I would have had if I'd sent it. You know what I could do right now? I could actually do another one of those missions that I was talking about where I could kill the guy that did that. Oh no! Oh, that kind of scared me for a second. I kind of got scared. little bit more maneuverable than Bro, so I can actually turn around quicker and get back around to him a little bit quicker. Unless I keep on stalling like this, and I mean like literally like action stalling, not like plain stalling. That works as long as it shows up on the scoreboard that I got the kill. Didn't. Right. Did it? Yeah, no, it didn't. Did it? Because it should show me as 2 votes. No, it didn't. Frick! Okay. He's our only last target left. I'm praying. Ugh. Alright, here we go again. Let's do this again. First time I played this plane, I got like a 20,000 kill streak, bro. So I don't know why. I'm doing horrible in this plane all the time. Like, why the frick? I'm Squidward. I'm already losing my mind. Team kill time! Never mind, you know what, just never mind. I'm not gonna... How am I supposed to team kill a guy breaking the laws of freaking physics? Ah! Oh, frick, they're already coming after me, okay. Okay, I think this guy's expecting a real quick, head on. There's another enemy coming back on top of me. Excuse me, he's winning that dogfight all because I lost my propeller because I tried to kamikaze him. Oh my god, I swear to god, bro, I hate this game so bad. Dude, how is he still alive? I literally slammed into him hard enough to break my own propellers. How is he alive? Stop stealing my kill! I swear to god. Oh my god! Dude, I'm so mad right now, bro. Why? Can people, like, actually not steal my kill? Dude, I just want to get a kill. Ah! I'm actually literally about to rage quit my life ride so mad. Can I just get like 1 kill, please? It's actually my kill, you know? Yes! I don't care if I stole! I am going to count it because I'm sick and tired of this plane. Also, I think I can earn maybe 1 actual kill, maybe right here, and then I'll actually confirm my spot in this challenge. The biggest issue with all of my dogfight right here is that my freaking plane is faster than it is, so I keep on freaking going around and around, like playing ring around the rosy. Except the freaking aircraft, yes! I don't believe it. Now all of a sudden I'm absolutely dominating my battle. Woo, man! Yes! Get shot at! Come on, die! Come on, die! Come on, die! Come on, die! Die, 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 die. love right now. We love right now. Okay. On to the on to tier 3, I guess. See you guys in the next video. I guess technically, how about this? You're allowed to shoot them to kill them, but if you shoot them to kill them, it doesn't count. How about that? I guess I'm allowed to shoot them to kill them. We start a new role, no kamikaze kills, because otherwise that'd be like cheating. I just randomly got you.
I YouTube it again.
What? No! Ah! Like brother! Like actually brother! Alright, that's good. Nah, though. I actually just recorded a video where, dude, I literally... I thought I was taking a picture, bro. Yeah, it was the one with the money where I was like, that was the picture. The 3! That I can actually kill this guy. Okay, he's in a biplane. I might, unless I get in a turn fight, I think I can win. Like legitimately, I think the only way you can win is in a turn fight. Oh, he's not in a biplane. He's in my plane. Well, he already lost his wing and all of that stuff, so he's practically dead already. Stop stealing my kill! Let me kill him! Yes! Oh, freaking kidding me. Why, bro? Hey. 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 Dude. So I've already lost the challenge for tier 2 because I can't do it anymore, literally. Like, I literally cannot fly like that anymore. Ah! God! Frick, man. Dang it. Well, now I gotta restart the entire match. I mean, I may as well because I can't do it because I don't have any more respawn thingamajigs. Frick!